This is a nighttime video I shot entirely with a brand new camera called the Insta360 Ace Pro. The Ace Pro is doing all the hard work for me. Normally I need to choose the correct camera settings at nighttime to get the best video quality without blur, noise and light flickering, but with the Ace Pro all I did was switch to the dedicated nighttime video mode, press record, and this is the footage straight out of the camera. The settings are fully automatic, so I don't need to worry about it. The Ace Pro automatically adjusts the camera settings to remove the light flicker. When I double tap on the Ace Pro touchscreen, it automatically zooms in for a close-up. It's a nice feature, but I want to push the Ace Pro to its absolute limits at nighttime. I want to know how well will the Ace Pro cope with action at nighttime using fully automatic settings in nighttime video mode before I start to get blur, noise and light flickering. So first I'm going to start off nice and easy and walk through this well-lit funhouse. I think the colors and detail in this video look really nice. Usually small cameras give soft and mushy video in this scenario. The footage looks great from the funhouse and I clearly need to give the Ace Pro a more difficult challenge. Next I'm going to try this ride. It's high, it's fast and it does 360 rolls in the air. I do have a lanyard attached to my wrist for safety and I always seek permission when taking a camera on a ride. So this is the view from the top, which looks really cool. The Ace Pro does automatically adjust the settings to stop the light flickering. It is pretty cool that at this speed at nighttime the footage is not blurry. So for the next ride I'm going to try something which is more rough. Yep, let's try using the Ace Pro on the back of this roller coaster. So I am fully expecting there to be some sort of blurry video because this ride has a lot of vibrations, but somehow the footage is still blur free and bright. It's actually quite amazing. Okay, so I thought let's try an even rougher ride, like this one. It's extremely spinny, so this has to cause problems for the Ace Pro, but when I look at the footage, it's quite stable for such an extreme ride, so I am super impressed. Finally, I thought I would try the craziest and fastest ride here. I know it doesn't look that crazy from the outside, but just wait till it gets going. It's high speed, bumpy dizziness. There's definitely good ambient light in here, but this ride moves around so much, I don't think there's enough light to get rid of blur and noise. So the ride starts out pretty tame, but then it really gets going, and the footage is still crisp and pretty much free from blur, noise and light flickering. With all my tests complete, I can safely say this is the first action camera I have ever used that makes it super simple to get amazing nighttime video in any scenario. All you need to do is switch to the dedicated nighttime video mode and press record. It's that easy. So if you want to capture amazing nighttime video, then I would definitely check out the Ace Pro. I will leave a link to the Ace Pro in the video description where you can learn more about it. And feel free to ask me any questions about the Ace Pro in the comments below.